So I wanted to go a little further deep into the orals and practicals here. And it's always a very scary moment for applicants. And what I highly advise is get to know your DME so you can feel comfortable with him. Try to meet him in person, shake his hand, have that interview. It is legal, so don't think it's some shady business. Get to know him. Get to feel a vibe. Like our DMEs here, super awesome guys. And I always tell our students is he is the last of your worries. He is very fair. He's not gonna break the rules, but he will do whatever he can to assist you and make sure you're relaxed. Because it's not so much that our students have issues with the knowledge; it's their mental um, states that they have, and he tries to calm you down as much as possible, give you you know mental breaks, and there's rules he has to follow, but he's going to do everything he can within his power to help you. Obviously, he's not going to give you the answers and things like that. So I wanted to touch on this. So this is the grade sheet you're going to get. And from what I understand, the DME has to give you a minimum of 4 questions. So if you answer 3 correct, and that fourth one, it doesn't even matter. You can say foobar, and it wouldn't even matter because you already got 3 correct. Just don't offend the guy. but but you have 7 chances, depending on the DME. You have 7 chances to score 75. So hopefully you don't have to go that far out. And practical test is here. It's a check, fail or pass, and date. And that's pretty much it for the oral and practical test. You got several projects. Same thing here for airframe, system components. Then you got power plant, a couple sections. And the rumor is that you might get projects that relates to the questions you missed on your writtens. That's the rumor, not 100%. Try to get these out of the DMEs. They don't tell me the truth, or maybe it was a hint. I don't know, but uh, that's how orals and practicals are conducted. There's guys who can perform a 12-hour test. There's a lot of that, 12, 14-hour test. I know a couple guys that do that. It doesn't have to be that long, but our guys do 4 to 6 hours, and he's done a 12-hour test just depending on the applicant. But obviously he's going to do everything right by the book, and he's not going to risk his position for a student or anything like that. So go there and prepared and ready to rock.